Hey guys, just wanted to share this quick project with you. So I painted a wood cutout that I had, and I lightly sanded it and lightly waxed it. And then I also lightly waxed this prepared black canvas that I already had on hand as well. So I applied my transfer, which happens to be the January Club transfer, to the wood cutout, and I used our fabulous chalk paste in Forest to do the outline of the transfer. Once that was done, I took my canvas and placed it, and then took my other transfer that I'm using for this project, which is our Club Kickstart, and I decided to do that in our lovely shade of eucalyptus in chalk paste. This isn't the shimmer, it's just the regular one. Once I had that all set up on my canvas, I took my wood cutout, applied some hot glue, placed it in the middle, and look at this, I have a fabulous new sign. I hope you enjoy it.